marinate some ground meat. You can use chicken, you can use beef, you can use pork. Tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of cornstarch, okay? And most important, water or broth. The reason I want to make sure this breaks up, so when I mix it into the egg, it's easier to separate. This is the triple egg custard, which I was brought up with. My mom fixed this at least once a week, 52 times a year. My family favorite. When this is all done, I want to show you. We're going to beat up some egg here. Okay. Oh, fast. Whoa. And then put this right in here and beat it up. Oh, see this? Beat this up. And then put a tiny bit of this minced meat. Also mix it up. And then put a tiny bit of extra water. 1 egg, the same amount of water. 3 eggs of water. This is how you do it. Judge the amount of water to make a nice smooth custard. Okay, sprinkle a tiny bit extra white cornstarch. Okay, when this is all done, the other thing I want to show you is I had 2 more eggs. This is 1,000-year-old egg. It comes with this. I'm going to show you later. And also salted egg. It comes like this. You chop up the 1,000-year-old egg. You chop up some salted duck egg. This is another way you can remove the salted thing. You scoop it out like this. See this? Scoop it out, and then you use your knife, and then you cut it into this. Look at this. 1, 2, and 3. And then you chop them, put them all inside here, and then you're going to steam it. Very easy, okay? Look at this. We put this right over here, and we're going to steam this right over here. Look at this. You put this over here and let it steam over high heat, okay? Now, if you want, you can even use a tiny bit of wrap. I mean, a tiny bit of plastic wrap to wrap it up. Any plastic wrap would do. Now, let me show you. You go to a Chinese restaurant. This is actually a classic. This is 1,000-year-old egg served with pickled ginger, served as an appetizer. You know why it looks like this? Because the strong alkaline. This is how you do it. Look at this. This is the 1,000-year-old egg. Why 1,000-year-old? Because they let it ferment it for about 3 to 4 months. It's like 1,000 days. Okay? And then here you got salt. You got some calcium carbonate, salt, so strong alkaline. The strong alkaline permeate through the eggshell and denature the egg white. Now it is like a custard. And then this is actually, look at this, I'm going to show you. This turns the egg yolk, because denaturation of protein, this is like a paste. It's a very unique dish. And I'm going to serve these over here. And then we're going to make a dressing, soy sauce. Soy sauce dressing to put around on top of the egg. Put a tiny bit of sesame seed oil. Then you're ready to serve. You see this? Some of these is already done. We're going to serve this very, very careful. Ha! No, never do that. Okay, make sure you hold on to this. You put it right around here. I want to show you how easy to serve this. You put this. Whoa, look at this. This is how you serve the dish. You put this right over here and serve these. Now, if you're hungry, get one of these ostrich eggs. This will serve 24 family. Look at this. Triple egg custard with minced meat. So tasty. Now get into the kitchen and make my favorite dish for your family. Remember, if Yan can cook something so delicious, so can you. 再见.